This is the spot, Pho Hung Vung, Saigon in Footscray, one of Melbourne's best pho restaurants. Yeah, watch this place fill up. Vietnamese spring rolls, which is just like a staple. I'll get a medium beef. Some people just go, all in, drizzle that broth over that. Oh, cheers. This is the spot, Pho Hung Vung, Saigon in Footscray, dubbed one of Melbourne's best pho restaurants. But will it live up to the hype? Will it hit the spot? Let's go and find out. I've just arrived. All right, what a great day for pho. All right, we are at Hung Vung and check out this menu. So they also do like little entrees, here's the full menu. Face tracking is on, hang on. Alright, I'll just read out some items. For your entrees, they've got rice paper rolls, you can get prawn or chicken, shredded pork, or there's vegetarian option as well. Vietnamese spring rolls, which is just like a staple. Rice dishes, you can get grilled chicken on rice, you can get grilled pork chops, which is another very classic Vietnamese dish with the fried egg and the shredded pork. Some rice vermicelli, I think I've said that wrong, but let me know in the comments if I've said vermicelli wrong. You can get that with grilled chicken, pork, prawns, yeah, and then all your phos, and then a long list of classic Vietnamese drinks as well. And the other side is just a translation. So yeah, there you go. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good. I'll get a medium beef and beef ball.
Yeah, medium beef before.
Yeah, with the bean shoots boiled.
Yeah,
And that's all.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll hang on to this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one medium beef before and beef should cook.
Yeah, thank you. Tea is always good. I've come at 11:30 because after 12 o'clock, it just gets crazy hectic busy here. You'll be waiting over there in line for a seat. Yeah, watch this place fill up. So, there's the proper way of saying pho, and there's how everyone else kind of says it, which is just pho, as it is spelt. I like saying pho because it kind of annoys a lot of people, but if you want to say it the right way, it's pho. So think of F-U-R, but with the U turned into a few E's, so pho, and I think you've got it. So, pho.
Medium beef before.
Oh, that was so fast. Thank you. All right, that came out within 5 minutes of ordering. Isn't that crazy? Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, here we go. Let's have a look at what we got. All right, we got our sort of side add-ons. You got your fresh, what is this called again? Basil, Vietnamese basil, chili, and a lemon wedge. Let's get them in. So I like to start off with getting all my basil and ripping them up. And in they go. And then I'll get my steamed bean shoots, whack all that in. And get my lemon, get that in there too. I like to have my chili and my hoisin and hot sriracha sauce mixed up in here. I use it as a dipping. Some people just go, all in, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I prefer to keep the broth as original and uncontaminated as possible. Alrighty, let's mix this all up. Alright, I'm so excited. Okay, ready? I'm gonna get my beef, and this is where my dipping thing comes in. I just give a little bit of a hoisin and chili sauce on there, and then I'll just drizzle that broth over that just to melt that sauce into it, and then here we go. Oh, so good. All right, that hit the spot, and we still have all this to get through. All right, ready? Again. My God. It's so good, guys. There's a reason why I'm too excited. There's a reason why this is the best pho in Melbourne. The broth is so good. It's so flavoursome. It's on the more salty side, but it's so good. Yeah, with every spoonful, you can taste the umami coming through. Oh, so good. Melbourne's best pho, like no joke. Everyone's gonna think I'm crazy, but it's so good. You don't need a reason to have pho because it's so good anytime, but especially on the days where I'm feeling like down in the weather, I've got a cold coming on, pho is like my savior. It's my remedy for all things like cold and flu. Like after a pho, like warm, with this warm soupy broth, I feel like so much better already the next day and I'm like back to normal. So not medical or health advice, but it works for me. All right, let's try some of these beef ones. Yes. I always love to get a few extras in my phone just to break it up because sometimes I get a little bored of beef. I'll just add in some beef balls or some beef brisket. Guys, I am one happy customer. All right, drizzle that broth on. It's a huge burst of flavor every time. The basil, the sweetness of the hoisin, and then the umami of the broth. And it's just such a great combination. So good. All right, let's get a closer shot of this so you can see what you're gonna get into if you come here. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to get one thing in here. I forgot to get the pickled onion, which is like a must do to get that like tangy kick in your pho. So let's get some of that right now. Which I'm just gonna go get it myself. I'm back. We got our pickled onions. Let's get that in, guys. If you want that sweet and tangy, like, taste to your broth, you gotta add the pickled onions in. Back on track with this, I need a refill of hoisin and sriracha. Ready? Yeah. Oh, so good. Alright, that hit the spot. I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna keep eating. Alright guys, let's get more pickled onion in here. What's good, guys? Oh yeah, prices. Right, so medium beef and beef ball will cost me $16.50 Australian dollars, which is really not bad. If you go large for $18.50 or small for $15.50, yeah, it's pretty good prices. If you go into the city, you'll be paying like anywhere from, I reckon, from the, $18 to $20 mark just for a medium pho. So we're in Footscray and we also happen to be at one of Melbourne's best, if not the best pho. So $16.50 for medium beef and beef ball pho, or just any of these. For the location and the price, it's just great. It's not too far from the city. I think it's a win-win and you can't get any better than this. Yeah, this pho has truly hit the spot. Cheers. Here's a quick tip for this tea. Usually they come piping hot, so I'll fill it up, and when it's cooled down, I'll only drink it halfway, and then when I'm ready to drink it again, like 10 minutes later, it should be still cooler by that point, and when you pour in the hot tea, it should be the perfect temperature for you to have without waiting. Yes. I recently came back from Vietnam, And I did a review on one of the best pho restaurants in there too, so check out that video. But this just takes me right back to Vietnam in Ho Chi Minh City again. It's so good. Melbourne is truly like, it has everything. Any type of cuisine that you want, Melbourne's got it. And yeah, Vietnamese is no exception.
Oh, so good.
Alright, it's 10 minutes past 12, and there's only a couple of tables left. Every other table in this restaurant is full. Like, do you have a favorite pho place? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear it, especially if you're in Melbourne as well. If you're not, let others know in your city where your favorite pho is. Comment below. I'm working up a sweat here, guys, which is a good thing. So back to my point about the pho remedy when you're feeling under the weather. You get a good little tiny light sweat and you just feel so much better. Oh my god. Yeah, you gotta come to Pho Hung Vuong Saigon in Footscray. If you've already been here, let me know in the comments what you think and let me know what I should order next time, or if you have any favorite dishes, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so now the embarrassing thing to do is to do those like crazy like thumbnail reactions. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below so I know you're enjoying it and I can make more of them. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos on Hit the Spot. I've also got an Instagram page, hitthespot.travel. Follow me there and I'll see you next time on Hit the Spot. I'm just gonna eat the rest of this and just enjoy the rest of this pho. You can either watch me eat or you can skip to my next video, but I'm just gonna get into this.